After the TLD program, that is a good sample of collaboration between both countries, we still maintain a delegation in Turkey because we have the opportunity to collaborate with the Turkish Navy in order to the maintenance of the TLD of the Anadolu vessel. So we are working with the Turkish Navy in order to provide our experience for the maintenance of the vessel. Not only for the maintenance, as well for the maintenance of other systems as IPMS system. For the Spanish Armada, we have two main programs right now. The F110 program is a program that is now development in Ferrol, in the Ferrol shipyard, and the first F110 will be launched in September this year, and in 2028 deliver the first frigate. After each year, we are going to deliver the rest of the 4 frigates. Other important program for us is the S-80 submarine that now is developed in Cartagena shipyard. We just delivered the first one, and the floating of the second one will be this summer. So this is a good sample for the Spanish submarine that can be export for other countries. Now we are in campaigns in Poland and in Canada as well. For the AIP system that we incorporate in the submarine, I think is a good sample for the next generation of submarines in Turkey. So as well, we are totally open to collaborate with the Turkish Navy in order to develop this AIP system for the Turkish submarine. After 25 years, we have a huge experience in order to integrate, in combine with our CMS, the EG system from Lockheed Martin. The other important thing, if we compare with our competitors, is the time delivery, because we are the only program that are ahead of schedule if we compare with similar programs around the world.